concept of this evening has been just explained to me. I'm afraid I was very busy and could not catch up with what this evening meant. But what it really says is that it's going to congratulate, recognize young achievers of the country. And I think it's a very noble cause.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a proud privilege to be here in this august gathering out here. Mr. Hira, you've put me in a tight spot today. Because normally I don't take my mom anywhere with me if I have to get some things like this, because I have to speak. And with Mr. Bachchan here, it's even more scary. Because I remember it takes me back to my days of launching the album, when I remember my granddad and Amitabh uncle were behind, and I was just praying, I hope they're not hearing anything backstage. Because the way I speak and the way they speak, their voice, the stage presence is something different. So thank you very much for this award. It's normally I believe that these awards are not for something that we've done in the past, not for something that we've achieved, but it's an incentive to do something more.
But it's such an awesome feeling to hear what Rageshwari said about me in front of the man whom we call our inspiration, the ultimate motivation to become an entertainer. आपके सामने award मिल रहा है तो I can't even tell you. It's a beautiful feeling to just, because we've grown up only being inspired by you, not just as an actor, but as a human being.
First of all, I'd like to thank society and the judges, the panel, for considering me for this honor. Rageshwari was very, very sweet in the words that she said, and I'm not so sure about the jumping jelly bean part.
Did he said that?
But at the same time, to go out there and be the best that you can be, and to represent our country and our people the best that we can be, is really my honor.